Hello everyone and hello Mr. Raji, how are you? I hope you guys doing well when you watch this video. Because in this video, the learning outcomes is how the MNC can influence the global political and economy, especially in IoT era. But before we continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Filipis Tangeto Zebua with NIM numbers 2301867620 from LA66 Mas Aji class Introduction to Trade and Business. Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to explain about the meaning of MNC. MNC means Multinational Corporation, an institution that engages in the economy sector whose role is very important in the economy world. And the income or the capital surplus of this institution can exceed the wealth of an area or a country. There are three theories from Susan Strange that can describe how the MNC can influence the political, trade, and economy. First is authority mechanism, second is relational power, and the third is power structures. I'm going to discuss about the authority mechanism. In this mechanism, there are two major points, which are legality and legitimacy. Legality and legitimacy itself are based on three factors, which are culture, community, and capitalism. From this mechanism, they are believed that a legality of a thing can be changed by a legitimacy factor. For example, during the economic crisis in Indonesia in 1998, the legality of Suharto in presidential was changed by a legitimacy from the society, because in Indonesia, the legitimacy is held by the society. In the relational power, there are two major points, which are state as the regulator or the authority, and the MNC as the market players. In this theory, there are three basic assumptions about a state. First, if the state has bigger role than the market, then it's called as an authoritarian state, or we can call it communist or socialist country. Second, if the market has bigger role than the state, then it's called as an liberal state. Third, if the state and the market has an equal role in the state, then it's called as a neoliberal state. There are also four measurements to analyze this theory, which are security, wealth, freedom, and justice. In the power structures theory, it divides country into four powers, which are military, production, financial, and knowledge. So, how the MNC can influence the political, trade, and economy? According to authority mechanism, the presence of MNC that brings capitalism in a community can change a legality that occurred in the country. According to relational power, if a state has less role than its market, then what happened in the state are based on market interests, not the government. So, it is very easy for the MNC to influence the political, trade, and economy. And according to power structure theory, every country in the world needs military, production, knowledge, and financial to run its country. But all of that needs a lot of money in its application. Therefore, the presence of MNC in a country can distract or influence the government policy, because every government in the world needs a lot of money to run its country from tax. And work with the MNC could be a shortcut for the government in order to gain income or money. MNC and IoT. With the impact of IoT to the global political and economy, it will make a massive change for the global political and economy situation, because with the presence of IoT, it really helps the human daily activity to produce more productivity rather than before. And also, it brings a more profitable income for the MNC, because it will attract or bait the society to buy or use this advance of technology. And also, it helps the MNC to produce their productivity become easier. And also, the regulators of a country must to be selective and supervise the market to prevent the future financial crisis or recession, and to prevent from getting left behind from the other countries, because the future financial, production, knowledge, security, and etc. are depends on the IoT progress. In conclusion, with the presence of IoT to the global political and economy, the government, the market players or the MNCs, and also the society have to cooperate with each other to create justice and equal role, so the IoT progress will not bring a negative impact for them. Okay, that's all for the discussion. I'm sorry if there is a mistake on my language or on my analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a nice day. See you.